Unexplained flying objects have been seen for decades, but what if this time, it's real proof? Fearful flying saucer. Unexplained flying objects have been seen for decades. Strange lights in the sky, fast-moving objects, and sightings that defy everything we know about physics. But what if this time, it's not just another story? What if this time, it's real proof? Fearful. For years, people around the world have reported seeing objects in the sky that move in impossible ways, sudden turns, extreme speeds, and complete silence. These aren't just random claims. Some of these sightings have been reported by trained pilots, military personnel, and even astronauts. People who are trained to observe the sky. People who know what they're looking at. So what exactly are they seeing? Let's go back in time. The mystery of UFOs, now often called UAPs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, has been around for decades. One of the most famous cases happened in 1947, when a pilot named Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 high-speed objects flying in formation. He described their movement like saucers skipping on water, and just like that, the term flying saucers was born. Flying saucer. After that, reports started flooding in. People from all over the world began noticing strange things in the sky. Some saw glowing orbs. Others described metallic discs hovering silently above cities. And some claimed to have seen objects disappear in the blink of an eye. At first, many of these sightings were dismissed as misunderstandings, weather balloons, aircraft, or natural phenomena. But not all of them could be explained. In recent years, things have become even more interesting. Governments, especially the United States, have started releasing official footage recorded by military jets. Videos showing objects moving at hypersonic speeds, with no visible propulsion system. Objects that seem to defy gravity itself. Exploding head. One of these videos shows a fast-moving object being tracked by advanced targeting systems. The pilots can be heard reacting in disbelief. What is that thing? One of them says, "It's moving so fast." And here's the shocking part. These objects are not behaving like any known human technology. They don't have wings. They don't produce exhaust. They don't follow predictable flight paths. So what are they? There are a few possibilities. Some believe these could be highly advanced secret military projects, technology that governments are testing in complete secrecy. But if that's the case, why would they allow these objects to be seen and recorded? And why do even trained military pilots say they don't know what they are? Others think these objects could be natural phenomena that we simply don't understand yet. Maybe rare atmospheric events or unknown physical processes. But again, how do you explain the intelligent movement? The way these objects seem to react and maneuver with purpose. And then, there's the possibility that captures everyone's imagination. What if these are not from Earth? Alien. What if these objects are technology created by an intelligent civilization, one that is far more advanced than us? Think about it. If a civilization is thousands or even millions of years ahead of humanity, their technology would look like magic to us. Just like a smartphone would look like magic to someone from the past. They could travel across vast distances in space. They could move in ways we can't even comprehend. They could observe us without ever being detected, unless they choose to be. And maybe, just maybe, they already have. There are countless stories of close encounters, people claiming to have seen objects up close, sometimes even interacting with them. While many of these stories are controversial and difficult to prove, they continue to add to the mystery. But here's the thing. We don't need to rely on stories anymore. We now have data. We have radar tracking. We have infrared footage. We have multiple sensors confirming the same object at the same time. This is no longer just imagination. This is something real, something that is happening in our skies. And yet, we still don't have a clear answer. Why? Because the truth might be more complex than we expect. Maybe these objects are a mix of different things, some human-made, some natural, and something else entirely. Or maybe, we are only seeing a small part of a much bigger picture. A picture that we are not yet ready to understand. Imagine if tomorrow, scientists confirmed that these objects are indeed extraterrestrial. That we are not alone. That intelligent life exists beyond Earth. Everything would change. Our understanding of science, our place in the universe, even our view of ourselves as a species. But until that moment comes, we are left with questions. Questions that continue to grow with every new sighting, with every new piece of footage, with every unexplained encounter. So the next time you look up at the night sky, and you see something you can't explain, ask yourself this: is it just another object? Or could it be something far more extraordinary? Do you think these UFOs are secret human technology, or proof that we are not alone? Alien flying saucer.